Hey guys. Buti yung bangs niya. So guys, magkwarta-kwarta. Marami akong kwarta So, akong pang box. Guys. Nara siya guys. Dami. It's gonna be the money. It's gonna be the money. Nara sila guys. Saka 100. Ray, kung kabalo ka, ni Ray ha. Isa ka 100. Tulo ka 20. Ay, tulo ka 50. Pila na tanan? Pila tanan? 50. Oh. Abi lang. Sunod na. Wala ko sa pang-reply, okay? Yung mga yun, kung tatay. Guys, ako mag-gini siya yung box, guys. Box ba? Pagnan ako mga stickers na ay dito na siya pang. So, kwartas. Akong gatag sa iya na una, guys. Kaya ka ng mga 5. Akong gatag sa 20. 20 lang sa karon. Manatay kag chitay. Mga ligo to swimming pool, wala tayo mabayad. Ano ta wala. Ay na pangayo, gatag na akong karay-ray. Buang ka. Ran, nagkuha na ba may mama ganina pizza? Wala po. Tagaan mi. Meron guys. Laki bolos. Ito sa siya butang diri guys. Kaya ito sa siya mo ano. Ito sa na siya decorate. Decorate. Uy, kapangit tayo sa decoration. Buang demo. Ano nga guys, ay multo sa likod guys. Nara guys, oh multo guys. Naka-white og t-shirt. Mo na multo guys na mo na naka-white og t-shirt guys. Guys, gusto mo makakuha ng karta? Link lang sa bio. Keep siya guys. Yung black screen na pangalan. Sige kung magbalik yan. Hindi ako mag-live. Hindi ako mag-live. And, ngayon ko balik yan. Muna ako balik ang speaker. Speaker ako kabalito guys. Yes. Ano pa ka? Ito guys. Ito guys. Cute. be the warning. It's gonna be the Friday. Yeah, to change, turn me up. Ba-bang, ba-bang, it's gonna be the world day. It's gonna be the Friday. You can ask the flowers. I super hours, telling all the bluebirds. Oh, feeling cool birds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Now it's just the time I'm gonna be on fire. Now it's just the time. Bad kaayo ka. Rainbow. Rabbit. Sige, may tulog na natin. Tulog. Species. Pag-unboxing ka kang nyo. Muna nyo guys. Magkat tagamalingan guys. Dora peso. Pengun. Nasikat.
Standing nearby. He asked the man how he could become as wealthy as him. The man simply replied, "The plains of Texas are full of gold. The key is whether you can see deep enough." The clever boy immediately thought of oil. The man smiled without a word and turned to leave. A chance encounter can lead to an eternal connection. That's right. The boy who just found the key to wealth was instantly captivated by a beautiful girl as he turned around. The girl greeted him gracefully, but he was so nervous that he couldn't even speak. The girl didn't mind that he was a poor boy and even invited him to a school dance. The boy dressed up meticulously and arrived at the dance feeling shy and awkward. The girl, named Hannah, was a very popular campus belle. The boy didn't want to miss his chance, so he decided to confess his feelings. "I want to marry you." It was the most fluent sentence he had spoken since their first meeting. On this day, he came to walk Hannah home. She had her back hunched, looking a bit self-conscious. Meanwhile, a rich young man who came to pick up Hannah in his car was arrogant and dominant. He mocked the boy for not knowing his place.
Next,
The boy, unwilling to show weakness, stepped forward and declared that he, a poor boy, would one day become a multimillionaire. Suddenly, news came from the front that Japan had attacked Pearl Harbor, forcing the United States to declare war on Japan. Although the boy wanted to make money more than anything, he was also a passionate young man. He lied about his age and listed his wealth. When the girl found out,
Next,
he
can
had a
you
big
do
fight
some
with him.
special? Hawa. Kusina mo ka.
Ha?
Hawa ka, dili. Hawa ka.
Hawa ko na hadlok.
Dili. Tama na. Asa? Tuton kita ron. Tuton dito. Basi tae.
Ba't yung sabihin ito?
Kilas. Draw.
Bigger!
Next kami club. May kikit kayo. Market. Oh mga guys. Kanya din.
The scene shifts to the battle. The commander asks a new soldier to deliver a message to the front
Tulog ko.
line, but he was
Kanya
too
din yun.
Seeing this, he went directly to
Ha? Tulog ko! Hindi ko kwarto.
and set off.
Next club.
He never let an opportunity pass him by, but he was too impulsive and was blown away halfway.
Pila ya kwarta ra.
20.
Ako nagyatag.
Risked his life.
Next.
Savings to buy a drilling machine, but no matter how much he drilled, he couldn't strike oil. The family could no longer afford the loan, and they had 4 children to support. You must be wondering who he married. What about Hannah? Looking at his wife's eyes and facial features, although the film doesn't explicitly state it, I like to believe that she is indeed Hannah. A shimmering golden, a man opens his door only to be shot dead by a stranger. The killer turns off the lights and hides in a corner, waiting for the man's wife to return home. When she
Ra, pila ka 20 iya ra.
shoots her, then delivers a second shot after she falls.
Ra,
The gun in the husband's hand.
Tuman.
pila ka 20 ka ray-ray.
2. Ay, isa lang.
Pila gani.
Isa gani!
Pila gay ka 20.
Isa gani no, yaw.
Parian, 2, 3, 4.
Ang buti.
Pila gani no.
Suspicious about the report. The husband was
Ay, 2. Sige, sige.
crime with his right hand. She decides to investigate by visiting her
Anak ko, pila ko yatag sa iya na 20. Bugo.
Marty is trying to get away from Biff and his team.
Tara.
Hindi.
Tara. Nara ko dire, nagunting sa ko sticker. Buang ka. Itatag kais. Kanina lang guys. Tara. Gigil na sad. Tara na sad. Gigil na sad. Ambot. Ayun na. So guys, nainagit ko kayo sa basta nabungkot sila pagka cut. So, pwede pa kong suglanan na sa mga stickers guys. Kamikit siya. Ito nga sa TikTok kita. Ito ako sa TikTok guys. Kaya kung dito siya. Pwede na ko. Ma! Pwede ko magpalit og sticker na suglanan? Sa TikTok shop ba? Kina ko yung mga sticker na sulod na ko'y kurta. Ambot.
Ay ka!
Hindi ko
Ayaw lagi na nito kaon.
Tara.
Ayaw lagi niya lang kay sus. Ano.
Mga alamigat.
Ang gas ba? Mga
Kaya sa ako, nakuha na ko pa akan, di ba ma?
sulod ba na taningan? Paano sa gudbi?
Tara. Tara, kwawi.
Wah, ilabay.
Ako nga pa, mama.
Ano niya? Balo na gid siya nga dili magkaon, magkaon gid dili. Wala itong selector.
Ingo na man na siya ma, magpataka-takag kuhan kaon.
Bago ko pala manglimpyo. Ali dili.
Lahat.
O maginis dali agpas.
Lahat.
Pas.